Welcome to the review and comparison of these two excellent phones. Let's get started. First, we'll see the display. Resolution. Display type. Brightness. Screen-to-body ratio. Density. Refresh rate. Support. Let's see the build quality. Display protection. Back and frame protection. Thickness. Weight. Resistant. Let's take a look at the operating system. And phone updates. This is the performance processor. Central processing unit. GPU. Finally, the benchmark. Alright, it's time to check the cameras on the phones. Main cameras at the Vivo X100 Pro. Main cameras of the OnePlus 12. Let's see the front camera and its video recording. Let's check the storage. RAM memory. Internal memory. Memory type. Card slot. Let's take a look at the battery, starting with its capacity. Charging. Wireless charging. Average battery life. Let's talk about the connectivity. SIM. Network. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. NFC. Cable type. Unlock option. Let's check it out, the sound of these devices. Speakers. Loudspeaker. Extra audio features. Finally, let's see the value. Average price. Special features. So, which one will have the best results? Both are excellent choices, but the OnePlus 12 has a better value for money. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.